Hey everyone, welcome back to Reasonable Setups. So we are having a very ugly daily candle right now. And after the Nvidia's earnings, we had a full reversal as of now, and I think we'll close around this area, which is very bad technically for the bulls. On the 4-hour chart, like you can see, we are right at the already violated 4-hour gap, and I think uh, we will go ahead and take this minor sell side, and if there is anything if there is not anything positive on the sentiment, we can have a retest of this previous supply demand level, and if we lose this level, it is going down more. So on the Bitcoin chart, you can see Bitcoin already started downside, and I said not once that Bitcoin is actually leading and not following the market. And I think Bitcoin, after taking the previous all-time high, it is back to the range, and we will at least try to retest the mid range around 100 level, 100 carat level, which is also psychologically important. And Ethereum chart as well, you can see we took this liquidity and back to the range, expecting actually, if this was the high, expecting to go back to 0.5 or 618 levels, which is the low of this previous range. And of course, if we are good to hold this here, we can have a very good head and shoulders pattern and to start to target the yearly open. But I want you to have a look on this on today's economic events. So actually, the GDP was not that bad. It was better than expected a bit. But the unemployment claims, look at the job numbers. We had a spike. Look at this, another spike to 240 levels. And we are having next week actually very important unemployment rate numbers, which could be the leading indicator for the markets to decide whether we are having a recession incoming or not. In my opinion, so you can see that Powell speaks next week as well. So in my opinion, we will have a unemployment rate spike, and that will be very important to follow how Bitcoin and Ethereum will react on that news, because we can have potentially another huge sell-off to the downside before marking the bottom to these levels. But it remains to be seen whether we will have that kind of important and aggressive spike on the unemployment side. As you can see, 4-hour chart still holding here, but I'm not optimistic currently. And you can see that bears, most of the bears closed their positions, and put to call ratio in the morning was around 0.6. So I can expect some kind of build up again if there is not much certainty in the markets. Currently, we don't know tariff stance or tariffs gone. So yeah, overall, very uncertain environment, and Bitcoin is already indicating that we need some kind of correction at least. So 200 EMA on a daily chart on Bitcoin is around 90K. And I think you can see that, look at this compression right here. I think this is a distribution, and market cycle top is very close. If not in, then it is very close. One more maybe push to the upside, and then I think we will start to have a long correction. So that's pretty much it. Make sure you follow the job data. I think that's very important right now overall. And let's see the clarification on the tariff side. So whether it is standing or it is reversed. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Have a good one. Bye.